How are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start second part of the video of the chapter Unit 8 Jalebis, which is written by Ahmad Nadeem Kasmi. In our first part we have already discussed about some of the important points of the boys, Munna, characters, Master Ghulam Muhammad, and about the school, coins, all the things we have already discussed, that how coins, what was the temptation of a boy for the jalebis, how coins spoke, each and everything that I have explained you students. Now in today's video we will learn the second part, what happened after that. In first video we have ended that he has purchased a jalebi and he had jalebis at the corner. He bought a jalebi of 1 rupee. A lots of jalebi was wrapped in a newspaper. He ate all of them in the corner. And what happened after that, let's discuss in this video. So the first, when he was eating jalebi, students, he ate, and after the stomach was full, what he has done, he has decided to distribute the jalebis to all others boys who was standing over there. Crowd of neighbors boys. He has purchased a jalebi of 1 rupee, which was a lot. He has ate some of them, and some of them he has distributed to the boys, neighbor boys who were standing over there. He was stand near the house under the chabutra. Many of them collected over there. After finishing of the jalebis of 1 rupees, he wanted to purchase a jalebi of 1 rupee more, and all those jalebis also he has distributed to the others. Even बच्चे जो है दूसरों को जाके बता रहे थे that all others boys and children are coming over here to get the jalebi. After that poor people, जो गरीब लोग थे, they all have come over there, and there was a big crowd. बहुत बड़ा crowd समा हो गया था वहाँ पर for the jalebis. So finally what he has done, that 1 rupee jalebi, मतलब total 2 rupees की jalebi, 1 rupees jalebi, some of them he has eaten and some of them he has distributed. Other 1 rupee jalebi he has distributed all the jalebis to all. After that he bought a jalebi of 2 rupees. 2 rupees की jalebis he purchased from the halwai, and वो भी उसने क्या कर दी, सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी. He went to the home. He has eaten a lots of jalebis. He was saying in the chapter that अगर कोई इसके पेट पे ऐसे स्टमक पे ऐसे पिंच भी करता ना, so there will be a jalebis come out. और उनको बहुत बर्फिंग भी हो रही थी, डकारे आना जिसको बोलते हैं ना, वो भी हो रहा था just because of he has eaten lots of jalebis. When he went to the home, he has to digest all his jalebis because he has to take the dinner also. नाइट का डिनर भी लेना है उसको. He planned to, मतलब बोलता ना कि, but he has not taken dinner. He went for the sleep. ऐसा कहा गया है कि जैसे बच्चे फ्लावर्स छोड़ देना अपने मुंह से when they are speaking, he was thinking कि when he will speak at the home, the jalebis will come out from his mouth. So just because of that he directly went for the sleep. वो सो गया घर पे जाके. When while the stomach of the children are like a digestion machine. वो सुबह उठा, अच्छे से मतलब सारी jalebis digest हो गई थी. He become ready the day, like ना जैसे वो जाता है regularly. He went to the school. He become ready and he went to the school. After when he entered into the school, Master Ghulam has announced that the scholarship which they are being given today, which has been given to today, they will given to in the next month. वो कब दी जाएगी? It will given in the next month. गया वो, उसकी तो जैसे चक्कर आने लगे. स्टैंड वॉज स्पिनिंग, बोलता ना कि जैसे वो बहुत बड़े ऐसे उसके पैरों के तले जमीन निकल गई. He was in shock that what he has to do. So finally Master Ghulam has announced to collect the fees. ठीक है, उसने कहा कि क्या करना है, फीस. ये मुन्ना की प्रॉब्लम है. अब क्या है मुन्ना की प्रॉब्लम? एज आई टॉट यू अबाउट अ फियर ऑफ कॉच. एक प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गई? He went to the home. He has to taken his dinner also. And what a fear of coach also it was there. That buffing के कारण what they will do? He will be caught by his parents. After that, what next we have? A faith on God. As I was continuing with the story, that Master Ghulam has announced for the what he has announced for the fees and the amount of fund. So he was like shocked that now what he has to do. He's not having a money and he's not having a amount of scholarship even. What he has done in the recess, he taken his bag and he went out from the school. And he thought वो इतना दूर चला जाएगा जहाँ पर धरती और आसमान एक साथ इकट्ठा होते हैं. He thought like that the sky and the earth will become mixed together. वो इतना दूर चला जाएगा वहां से because he is having a fear of God. ठीक है, he went out from the school. वो एक रेलवे ट्रैक, ठीक है, चलते चलते वो काम्बलपुर रेलवे ट्रैक पे जाकर बैठ गया. वहां पे there was a tree and he sat under a tree and he was thinking of it कि how he will collect the money. What he has done, he has taken a faith on a God. He said to the God Allah Miya that please send some farishta and tell them to drop a 4 rupees in my bag. ठीक है, ऐसा उसने कहा भगवान को. बट क्या भगवान ऐसा करेंगे? एक फरिश्ता भेजेंगे just because of this small boy? And he admitted that he has done the mistake. Well, all right, I have done the mistake. He's saying, I have done the mistake. Please send some farishta so that he can help me out for the 4 rupees. ठीक है, 4 रुपए के लिए मुझे कोई हेल्प करे. After that, instructions of parents. He went to the railway station. He wanted to cross the track, but he remembered that the parents has told him कि you don't have to cross the railway track. But उसको ये भी इंस्ट्रक्शन याद है कि पेरेंट्स ने ये भी कहा था कि you don't have to spend the amount of fees and the fund in jalebis. ठीक है, so this was the second part. Now move to the third part 3. What happened after that? Munna's absence from school. He absent first time in his life from the school. He is a very brilliant student. ठीक है, मास्टर गुलाम जो है very impressed with his studies and he got a scholarship also because he has scored a good marks in 4th standard. So just because of that he is getting scholarship every month of 4 rupees. ठीक है, every month he is getting 4 rupees as a scholarship amount. So he is very good and बोलते ना एक बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है स्कूल में. बस because of this a small बोलते ना mistake he has to bear all these things today. He was very nervous. ठीक है, वो बहुत ऐसे जैसे उसको रोना आ रहा है. He was feeling like a cry. He was feeling like that. He literally cried and he prayed to the God. His prayer to God that please give some of the amount, send some of them. And उसने नमाज पढ़ा. ठीक है, he knows all the sutras of namaz and everything. So he has done all the work of prayer. After that he wanted the sum of that like God will put 4 rupees in his bag. After all this thing he said choo and he did bismillah also. But when he opened the book, when he opened the bag, there was only textbook, workbook, pen, pencil, stationery was there. There was not a single rupees in his bag. ठीक है, Munna's disappointment. He has not found anything in the bag, so he become disappointed that what will happen if the God will give only 4 rupees from his treasure. There will be nothing, मतलब कुछ नहीं होगा God, nothing will happen to the God if he will give 4 rupees from his treasury. ठीक है, but the God has not given, so he become disappointed. After मतलब when he was thinking all these things, suddenly उसको strike हुआ that he has to go to the school because the time is up now. He has to go to the home also. So first he went to the school. He was standing near the jalebis wala shop. ठीक है, but he was not aware because वो इतना disturbed था on that day. He was very disturbed when the jalebi wala asked him that you don't want to buy a jalebis of 1 rupee. He said कि no, I don't want to buy. If you will not be here, ये सारी problem तुम्हारी वजह से हुई है. If you will not here, if you will not prepare a crispy soapy jalebi, I wouldn't have eaten. ठीक है, मैंने वो नहीं खाई हुई होती. So he was blaming that shopkeeper. He went to the home. Next day, what happened? Sorry, Munna's came with God. That same day, had happened. He went to the home. After next day, on that day, what he has done? He wanted to play a game with the God. Which game he has to play? That I will go. I will touch the signal. ठीक है, सेकेंड डे का है ये. फर्स्ट डे इट वाज फिनिश, ही क्राइड एंड एवरीथिंग हैड हैपेंड. नेक्स्ट डे वो मतलब ही वेंट टू द स्कूल. ठीक है, स्कूल के दरवाजे से ही वो ही टर्न्ड अराउंड एंड came back to the railway track. He sat under the tree and he did prayer and everything, and he thought कि God will give amount instead of this mistake. उस mistake की वजह से मुझे वो amount दे देंगे, and he was accepting that he done this mistake. He was apologizing for the same also, but nothing matter now. He did a mistake, and he now planned something. What he has planned, that he will play game with the God. What he said to the God कि भगवान मैं क्या करता हूँ, I will go to the signal, I will touch the signal, and I will come back. Till that you will put 4 rupees in underneath under the rock. ठीक है, रॉक के नीचे आप क्या कर देना, 4 रुपए रख देना. When I will come back, I will take rupees from the rock. He went, he came back. ठीक है, उसने पत्थर उठाने का सोचा. He thought of it कि अगर हुआ तो अच्छा है, he will be happy. अगर नहीं हुआ तो he will be disappointed. But finally he has taken this rock up, and what he saw that a hairy worm. ठीक है, worm ना कीड़ा जिसको बोलते हैं, कीड़ा was there. He shouted loudly that what it is. इतना जोर से उसने शाउट किया कि मैंने तो 4 रुपए मांगे थे, ये कीड़ा कहां से आ गया यहाँ पर. Again he went to the signal, he came back, he taken the rock up. Same worm was there, and he was staring to Munna. वो उसको stare कर रहा था जोर जोर से. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट ही बिकम वो मतलब वो बोलते ना डिसअपॉइंट हो गया कि फ्रॉम वेयर ही विल गेट द अमाउंट नाउ. वो दिन भी पूरा हुआ. ही वेंट बैक टू द होम. नाउ द थर्ड डे व्हाट ही हैज डिसाइडेड कि कल मतलब वो ऑन द सेकंड डे डिसाइडेड कि टुमारो ही विल कम एंड ही विल डू नमाज एंड एवरीथिंग. अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहन के आएगा, नमाज करेगा और गॉड को प्रश्न करने मतलब ना कि इम्प्रेस करने का ही विल डू द वर्क ऑफ इट. ठीक है, वो इम्प्रेस करने का ट्राई करेगा. एब्सेंस की रिपोर्ट. His next day program, as I told you, he has made a program that what he will do. Next day जब वो घर पहुंचा तो रिपोर्ट जो है एब्सेंस रिपोर्ट इज ऑलरेडी विथ the parents of मुन्ना. ठीक है, अब उसके आगे नहीं बताया गया है कि what happens to it. अब जो भी what is given in the chapter कि whatever happened it is not related to it. ठीक है, he is not disclosed anything that what his parents said and what happened. He has not disclosed anything in the chapter, but one thing he has realized that if the God might have helped me on that day, he will be not independent on his feet. ठीक है, he will not stand on his feet. अगर भगवान ने उस दिन उसकी हेल्प करी होती तो he will not realize, और हमेशा वो भगवान से ही हेल्प मांगता रहता, he will not try to solve the things by his own. ठीक है, that's why God has not helped him. जब तक वो 7th 8th स्टैंडर्ड में था, he might have think कि why God has not helped me, what if he will give 4 rupees to me, but when he become grow, ठीक है, वो जब बड़े हुए, he realized that God will not come and help us and he will not provide us each and everything which we need. We have to earn it. So this is the chapter, students. I hope you all have understood the chapter very carefully. Bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.